In this video, you are going to see how to use a picture as a background in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to the Design tab, go to Watermark. Let us select the Custom Watermark. Click on Picture Watermark. Let me select the picture from my computer from a file. Let me select this picture. Click on Insert. Here you will see our option, the washout, and which is checked. If you uncheck the washout and click on OK, here you will see the picture is very clear. So I always suggest you to check on the washout option. So let us go to the watermark again, go to custom watermark and click on washout and click on OK. Then it will be wash out. Now if you want to resize it, you can use two ways. Go to watermark, go to custom watermark. From the scale option, you can choose the scale from here to 50%. Click on OK. Then you will see this is also changed. Here we have another option. Just click on the header area, then select it and you can adjust it like this. And just click on the close header and footer and it will be changed. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.